All right, YouTube. So I've made a couple pull-up videos. Different, one, how to protect your door. One, how to do pull-ups and testing this bar out. Anyways, had a couple questions about, hey, I'm a beginner, I can't do pull-ups. So that prompted me to, well, let me help y'all out. Show y'all how we can do that. So for those of you that don't have access to an assisted pull-up machine, if you're at home, you get you one of these. This is a resistance band. Get them from Amazon. This is a Draper's Strength resistance band. So what you do, put this on your bar like this. You wrap it around. You pull it through. So you got it there, just clamped on. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to put my foot in here. Okay. Now I got some resistance. When I'm doing these, I can use that resistance, and you be careful because a band can pop you. But anyways, that band is going to help you do these pull-ups. So it's great for a beginner. You can get different size bands, give you different level of resistance. If you can have a pull-up bar in your house, if it's a little bit higher, it works better. But this is just an example of something you can do. If you can't do pull-ups, get you one of these bands, a pull-up bar, and you can do assisted pull-ups. Out, YouTube.